Hi children, good morning. Welcome. Welcome to today's social science class. Today we can start a new lesson that is from your geography. Last chapter India, climate, vegetation and wildlife. From this chapter we are going to study about India's seasons and about the natural vegetations. Children, you read in newspapers daily and watch on TV or hear others talking about weather. You must know that weather is about day to day changes in the atmosphere. Weather is about day to day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, and sunshine, etc. For example, as such, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together you feel cold without woolen clothes when it is very windy and chilly. You would like to have sometimes hot to eat. Major season. Broadly, in the major seasons recognized India are cold weather season, winter, December to February. Hot weather season, summer, March to May. Southwest monsoon season, rainy, June to September. Seasons of retreating monsoon, autumn, October and November. Cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in the northern India. Hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature become very high. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow during the day. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the honest and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountains barriers, rainfall occurs. Seasons of retreating monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoons. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. Children, what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather means weather is about day to day changes in the atmosphere. Climate means the climate is about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. Okay, average weather conditions which have been measured over many years. Okay. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoon means adequate rain and a beautiful crop. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot or not too cold. Being in the coast, these places are very humid. Mausinram in Meghalaya receives the world highest rainfall. Natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants, etc. Besides, there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, or some which stand with a few leaves such as palm. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different type of natural vegetation are depend on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climate conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil, thus, they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants, and herbs like honey, gum, etc. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to large extent because of the reckless cuttings of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the extinct ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like Vanamaholtsav to involve more people in making our earth green. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species, animals, and large variety of reptiles, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of our country. Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceros roam in the forests of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Rann of Kutch, respectively. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc., are found in the Himalayan regions. Besides these, many other animals are found in our country, such as monkey, wolf, jacks, cheetah, etc. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Many species have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reservoirs have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Okay, children, let us wind up today's class. And this chapter is also over. Now you have to read this chapter many times and understand it and underline important points, then to given works. Okay, thank you. Thank you to listening my class.